Good morning, people. Hope you're well. I'm driving. I'm on my way to my nephew's, to that camper van. Lovely sunny day today, really bright and sunny. Yeah, this camper van, it's turned out worse than we thought. Basically, well, it's all been ripped out. Got to start again. So we're going today. We're going to do some insulation and boarding and what have you. There's no insulation at all in this van, which I had my suspicions that there wasn't. But yeah, I'm on my way. I'll be vlogging today, you know, little bits that we do, and I shall be posting it. So have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Here we are. Here's the camper. Peugeot Boxer. I'll show you inside. There you go. Completely gutted out. Today we are battening the walls. Those. All of those. Put the battens in, put the insulation in, then we can get the ply back on. My nephew's done all the floor, battened the floor, kingspan insulation and ply back on top. So hopefully today won't be too bad. Hello, people. Yes, we're doing the van. We've done one side cladding, put the battens in, but we just took some roof panels off, and this is exactly what we're up against. If you look up there, I don't know if you can pick it up, just look at that screw coming through the roof, and we think that is the solar bracket attachment. And there is one there. This van is absolutely disgusting. The way he's built this, he should be ashamed of himself. And this man's not very happy either.
No, I'm not even surprised at all. Not surprised. That's why I wanted to get the roof off.
And as you can see as well, he's just put this foil.
Yeah, it's not even on properly.
There's no insulation, nothing. So,
that's a job to tackle today.
But these screw absolutely terrible.
There's solar in it.
All battens in, complete, insulation. We're just going to put some panels on now, and then we'll call it a day. It's been quite easy, to be fair. Bit of insulation on the roof, but we've got to get rid of these screws. Job well done today, cracked on, aren't we, dude?
Yeah, pretty much done all the insulation, haven't we? A little bit more for there.
Yeah.
And then it's done.
At least we know it's done properly now. It's insulated, sound deadened as well. I'll catch you in a bit.
Yeah, Pad, I'm going to show you right. Taking the fridge out, just out the way. Taking all the wood out, screwed into this. And this was in the floor at an angle. And it's bent all the metal, so I can't get it out because I can't get this drill in there. So I'm rounding the screw off. So just put that into the floor, like that, with that. So I've had to rip it out the liner because this won't come out.